Are you ready to embark on a journey into the world of health and social care research? This video will guide you through developing research questions and selecting appropriate methods. Discover how to carry out and collate your research effectively.
Start by picking a broad topic of interest. Narrow it down to focus on a specific aspect. Consider related smaller topics to refine your focus. List potential questions that logically arise from the narrow topic. Select the question that piques your interest the most. Transform your chosen question into a more focused inquiry. Use verbs like analyze, evaluate, or assess for clarity. Avoid vague terms like discuss or describe. Aim for questions that start with why or how for deeper analysis. This approach ensures a clear and concise research question. Consider job recruitment via the internet versus traditional methods. Another example is strategies for promoting equality and diversity in healthcare. These focused questions guide your research process. They ensure you address specific issues within your topic. Clear objectives help in structuring your research effectively. Select action verbs that align with your research goals. Analyze and compare are excellent choices. Avoid vague verbs that do not specify the research aim. This precision helps in achieving your research objectives. It also makes your questions more compelling and focused. Use a conceptual framework to outline key concepts. It helps in understanding relationships between variables. This framework acts as an analytical tool. It assists in organizing ideas and making distinctions. Applying it provides a clear picture of your research context. Choose between primary and secondary research methods. Primary methods include questionnaires, interviews, and surveys. Secondary methods involve market reports and journals. Each method serves a specific purpose in data collection. Select methods that best fit your research needs. Once your topic is selected, begin the research process. Include an introduction, aims, and objectives. Conduct a literature review to understand existing knowledge. Use primary and secondary data collection methods. Analyze findings and conclude with recommendations. Use keywords to narrow your search. Prioritize peer-reviewed articles for quality assurance. Keep track of references for further exploration. Allow ample time for comprehensive searches. Stay focused on your research topic throughout the process. Access various online resources for secondary research. Evaluate the quality of web documents critically. Consider the authority and accuracy of the source. Ensure the information is current and relevant. These steps help in gathering reliable data for your research. Organize your research data systematically. Use tables, charts, and graphs for clarity. Include interviews and survey results. Ensure all references are properly documented. This organization aids in presenting your findings effectively. Enhance your research with visual aids. Use graphs and images to illustrate key points. They provide clarity and enhance understanding. Ensure visuals are relevant and well integrated. This approach strengthens your research presentation. Consider the impact of COVID-19 on the NHS. Explore obesity in children and associated risks. Investigate nurse retention and patient safety outcomes. Examine the NHS 111 service for young people. These topics offer rich areas for research exploration. A conceptual framework helps in defining research boundaries. It clarifies relationships between different concepts. This tool aids in organizing and structuring research ideas. It provides a comprehensive view of the research area. Utilizing it enhances the clarity and focus of your study. A conceptual framework can vary based on context. It serves as a guide for research structure. Example frameworks provide insight into application. They highlight how concepts interrelate within the study. Utilizing examples aids in developing your framework. Choose methods that align with your research objectives. Primary methods offer first-hand data collection. Secondary methods provide existing data insights. Each method has distinct advantages and limitations. Select a combination that best suits your research needs. Analyze data to draw meaningful conclusions. Use statistical tools for quantitative analysis. Qualitative analysis involves thematic interpretation. Ensure data analysis aligns with research objectives. This step is crucial for validating your research findings. Organize your findings into a coherent structure. Use visuals to enhance presentation clarity. Summarize key points effectively. Provide recommendations based on analysis. A well-presented report strengthens the impact of your research. Maintain high standards in your research process. Use reliable sources and verify data accuracy. Ensure ethical considerations are addressed. Peer review enhances research credibility. Quality assurance is key to successful research. Address ethical issues in your research. Obtain informed consent from participants. Ensure confidentiality and data protection. Ethical research fosters trust and integrity. It is essential for responsible research practice. Compile all research components into a final report. Ensure clarity and coherence throughout. Include a comprehensive bibliography. Review and revise for accuracy and completeness. This final step consolidates your research efforts. In conclusion, being able to carry out a research project relevant to a health and social care setting is essential for generating evidence that supports informed decision-making and continuous improvement in practice. Conducting research allows professionals to explore key issues, test interventions, and evaluate outcomes that directly impact the quality of care. By following ethical standards, using appropriate methodologies, and analyzing data effectively, practitioners can ensure that their findings are credible and beneficial. Well-executed research ultimately contributes to innovation, professional development, and enhanced service delivery across the sector. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us via email or WhatsApp at 07-484-361688.